Hi there, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you how to calculate moving average in Excel. So we have here a table and you want to calculate the moving 3 months average sale. So there are multiple ways of doing it, but we are going to use the data analysis toolpack. So I don't have it, so let me show you how to install it. So go to options, add in, and select analysis toolpack. So now we should have the analysis toolpack option in the data tab. So let's just click on data analysis and select moving average. Then for the input range, I'm going to select the month sales. And for the output range, I'm going to select the trimester sales column. So for the interval, I'm going to write 3 and click on OK. So you can see here that I have my 3 months moving average sales. So let's make a chart for this table to see what's happening. So let's go to insert and select recommended chart. Well, which chart I'm going to use? Let's see this one. This bar chart. So we can see that it's not very good. It's not giving us any information about how the 3 months moving average is different from the month sales. So let's change the type of the chart. Go to chart design and select change charts and select an appropriate chart type. So the line chart is the one I'm searching for. So let's just select it, and you can see here the month sales in blue and the trimester sales in orange. Thank you for watching.